Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a Subway sandwich shop. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two friends, Sam and Mina, and the staff at the shop. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So, here is today's question. At Subway, are extra vegetables free, or do you pay more? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Here we are. This is the Subway shop I told you about.
It looks busy. Look at the long line inside.
It is lunchtime, so it is always full now.
Should we wait or come back later?
The line moves fast here. We will not wait long.
Okay. To be honest, I feel a little nervous about this.
Nervous? Why? It is just a sandwich shop.
At Subway, they ask so many questions. I never know what to say.
I understand. The first time can feel hard for everyone.
Last time, I just said yes to everything. My sandwich was strange.
What was on it?
Everything. Too much sauce and onions I did not want.
Oh no, that is because you did not know the steps.
Right. They spoke fast and I felt shy.
Today, I will teach you the steps. Then it is easy.
Really? That would help me a lot.
It is easy when you know the order. You choose each part yourself.
I like that idea, and I want to try one new thing today.
One new thing. Like what?
I don't know yet. A new sauce, maybe? Something I have never had.
That's a good plan. Subway is a great place to try new things.
Why do you say that?
Because Subway is everywhere. There are more than 30,000 shops in the world.
30,000? That many?
Yes, really. It started in America a long time ago.
And now it's all over the world.
Right. You can find one in many countries, so this skill helps when you travel.
Good point. I travel a lot, so I should learn it.
And ordering food is one of the first things you do in a new place.
That is true. A hotel, a taxi, and then lunch.
Exactly. If you can order lunch, you can feel at home anywhere.
I like that. So today is more than just lunch.
It is a small lesson for a big traveler. Are you ready?
I am ready. One question first. Do they speak fast inside?
A little, but you can ask them to slow down. Just say, "Slowly, please."
That is a useful phrase. Slowly, please. I will use it.
Good. Now let's go in.
Let's go.
Okay, look at the big menu on the wall.
There are so many pictures. Where do I start?
First, you choose your sandwich. What do you want inside?
What can I choose from?
Many things. Chicken, turkey, tuna, ham, and more.
I will have chicken today. It is my favorite.
Good. That is step 1. Step 2 is the bread.
How many kinds of bread are there?
Many. White, wheat, and some with cheese baked on top.
Which one do you like best?
I like the wheat bread. It is soft and a little sweet.
It smells so good in here, like fresh bread.
It is fresh bread. They bake the bread here every morning.
They bake it in the shop? That is why it smells like this.
Yes, the smell makes everyone hungry. That is part of their plan.
It is working on me.
Now step 3 is the size, 6-inch or foot long.
What is a foot long?
It is a long one, about 30 centimeters. Foot is an old way to measure.
So foot long means 1 foot long. Now I understand.
A 6-inch is half of that. It is enough for a light lunch.
I think a 6-inch is good for me today.
Good. After that, step 4. They ask if you want it toasted.
Toasted? Like warm and a little crunchy?
Exactly. Toasting also makes the cheese soft and warm.
That sounds nice. I will say yes to toasted.
Then, step 5, you pick your cheese, white, yellow, or soft cheese.
And after the cheese?
Step 6, your vegetables. Then last, step 7, the sauce.
How many sauces are there?
A lot. Sweet ones, spicy ones, and light ones like olive oil.
That is a hard choice for me.
You do not need all of them. 1 or 2 is enough.
Okay, 1 sauce so the taste is clean.
Right. Too many sauces hide the fresh vegetables.
Sandwich, bread, size, toasted, cheese, vegetables, sauce. Can I remember all that?
You just said it perfectly. You already know it.
Maybe I do. Okay, watch me later.
Do not worry. I will stand right next to you.
Thank you. That makes me feel calm.
First, watch me order. Then it's your turn.
Sounds fair. I will watch every step closely.
Hi there, welcome. What can I get you today?
Hello. I would like a turkey sandwich, please.
Good choice. Which bread? We bake them fresh every morning.
The wheat bread, foot-long, please.
It smells good, right? Do you want it toasted?
Yes, toasted, please. It makes the cheese warm.
Sure. Which cheese? We have 3 kinds today.
The white one, please. Just 1 slice is fine.
Done. It will melt a little from the toasting.
That is my favorite part.
It only takes a minute in the oven.
That is fast. I can already smell it.
Warm bread and melted cheese are the best.
I agree. That is why I always toast mine.
Now, which vegetables would you like?
What can I choose from?
We have lettuce, tomato, onion, cucumber, and more.
And do extra vegetables cost more?
No, the vegetables are free here. You can add any of them.
Oh, nice. Then I will take a little of everything.
Good idea. So, all of them?
Yes, all of them, please. I love a colorful sandwich.
Coming right up, there's a lot of color on this one.
It feels fresh and healthy with many vegetables.
Same here. People are often surprised the vegetables are free.
My friend will be happy to hear that. He is learning to order.
Tell him to take his time. We are happy to help.
Thank you. Now the last step. Some sauce, please.
Which sauce? We have many to choose from.
Just a little olive oil and pepper, please.
Light and simple. A good match with all those vegetables.
I like to taste the vegetables, not only the sauce.
Many people use too much sauce. Then they taste only sauce.
Yes, too much is not always better, my mother says.
Here you go. Please move down to pay.
Thank you so much. That was quick and easy. Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is bread, meaning a soft food made from flour. For example, I would like wheat bread, please. The second word is toasted, meaning made warm and a little crispy. For example, please make my sandwich toasted.
The third word is cheese, meaning a soft food made from milk. For example, I want 1 slice of cheese. The fourth word is vegetables, meaning plants we eat, like lettuce and tomato. For example, I want many vegetables on my sandwich. The fifth word is sauce, meaning a liquid we add for more taste. For example, just a little sauce, please.
Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Sam and Mina at the sandwich shop.
Hi, welcome. What can I get you today?
Hi. I would like a chicken sandwich, please.
Good choice. Which bread?
The wheat bread, 6-inch, please.
Nice. The wheat is very popular. Do you want it toasted?
Yes, toasted, please.
Great. Which cheese would you like?
The white cheese, please. Can I have extra cheese?
Of course. You can say extra cheese or no onions. It is your sandwich.
That is good to know. Then extra cheese, please.
Got it. 2 slices of white cheese. Now, which vegetables?
Lettuce, tomato, and cucumber, please.
Any onion, or do you want to skip it?
No onions for me, please.
No onions. Sure. You order very well today.
Thank you. My friend taught me the steps.
She taught you well. Do you want any pepper or salt?
Just a little pepper, please.
You are doing great. Just 1 step is left.
Thank you. I feel better now. This is not so hard.
You see, the steps make it easy.
My friend was right. 1 thing at a time.
Okay, last step. Which sauce?
I want to try something new. What do you suggest?
We have a sweet onion sauce. Many people like it.
I have never had that one. Let's try it.
Good choice. A little or a lot?
Just a little, please. I want to taste it slowly.
Good. You can always add more next time.
That is true. I will learn what I like slowly.
Here you are. That looks really good.
It does. I cannot wait to eat it.
The sweet onion sauce is sweet and a little strong.
That sounds perfect with the warm cheese.
It is. The warm cheese and the cool vegetables go well together.
Now I'm really hungry. Thank you for the tips.
Do you want a drink or a cookie with that?
Maybe at the register. I will decide there.
Sure. You did all the steps by yourself.
I did it. I ordered all by myself.
You did great. Please move down to pay.
Thank you for your help. That was fun. Okay, here is the register. Now I pay, right?
Yes, but first, do you want a drink or a cookie with it?
Can I add them here before I pay?
Yes, you can make it a meal. A sandwich, a drink, and a cookie.
Is a cookie better or chips?
Both are nice. A cookie is sweet, chips are salty.
I will choose the cookie today. I want something sweet.
Good. A meal costs a little less than buying each one alone.
Oh, so the meal saves money. That is smart.
It does. You are thinking like a smart customer now.
Then I will get the meal. A sandwich, a drink, and a cookie.
Which cookie do you want? Chocolate is the most popular.
Chocolate, please. I can never say no to that.
They bake the cookies here too, like the bread.
Fresh cookies as well? This place bakes a lot.
They do. Okay, now you can pay.
Done. That was easy. I paid all by myself.
See, you did everything yourself. I am proud of you.
Your steps really helped. Sandwich, bread, size, toasted, cheese, vegetables, sauce.
You remember them well.
What sauce did you choose?
A sweet onion sauce. It was my new thing for today.
Oh, nice. I have never tried that one either.
Then you can taste a little of mine at the table.
I would like that. Let's fill our drinks first.
Where do we fill them?
Right here at this machine. Then we find a table.
There is a table by the window. I want to look outside.
Perfect. Let's take our food and sit down.
Good. I am really hungry now.
Me too. Let's go and enjoy it.
This sandwich is so good. The sweet onion sauce was a great choice.
I told you. Trying new things is fun, right?
It really is, and I ordered all by myself this time.
You were nervous outside, but look at you now.
I know. The steps made it simple. I am not afraid anymore.
Next time, you can teach someone else how to order.
Maybe I will. I feel like a Subway expert now.
You learned fast. How is the extra cheese?
It is warm and soft. The toasting was a good idea.
Mine is good too. The vegetables are so fresh.
I am happy I added the cucumber. It is crunchy.
Good choice. Small things make a sandwich better.
I will remember that. Order slowly and choose what you like.
That is the secret. There is no need to rush.
And the extra vegetables did not cost more, you said.
Yes. By the way, I have an interesting fact.
What is it? Tell me.
In some countries, Subway has different breads and sauces.
Really? The menu is not the same everywhere?
No, each country adds its own special flavors.
That sounds exciting. Food tells you about a country.
It does. You learn the culture through small things.
Like how people order and what they eat for lunch.
Exactly. So I want to try them all someday in many countries.
Me too. That is a good reason to travel more.
And the same steps can help you in many places.
True. Next time, I will feel calm when I order.
That is the spirit. Now finish your cookie.
Right. I am saving the best part for last.
Same here. Thank you for a fun lunch.
Thank you for teaching me. Let's come again soon.
Yes, let's. Next time, you order for both of us.
Deal. I can do that now.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. At Subway, are extra vegetables free or do you pay more? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!